If you're part of a recurring revenue business providing a subscription service, chances are you have a contact center, and most likely that contact center is being seen as a cost center by your CFO and your finance team. In this video, I'm going to talk about how that cost center can be reimagined as a profit center based on my experiences in working with recurring revenue businesses. While you know your contact center is a critical component of your business, the reason why it is seen as a cost center is because most of their time is dedicated to customer service and product support, which is additional cost. However, this perception is only partially fair since they also present plenty of revenue generating opportunities. Examples of these include retaining customers who are at risk of cancellation and increase their lifetime value. Another example is identifying opportunities for upgrades and add-on sales to drive more revenue. Another example might be improving customer service experience to generate more referrals to grow your business. A fourth one, and an interesting one, is improving organizational effectiveness by truly understanding the needs of your customers so you can innovate more. So here are few strategic ways to reimagine your contact center as profit center. The first is to look at the portion of the contact center that's focusing on customer support and making sure they provide the highest first call resolution rates, customer satisfaction scores, and also focus on driving product or service value. One way to achieve this is by implementing what Gartner calls Value Enhancement Score, or VES. VES ensures the customer is able to use the product or service and they're confident in their purchase decision. If you cannot implement VES score, you can alternatively consider measuring the product or service utilization and have the service center drive that KPI over time. By getting these basics right, you can turn every service call into a revenue generating call right after taking care of why the customer called, and use the remaining time to secure add-on sales or referrals on the same call. In some cases, you'll set up the other parts of the call center for success by doing necessary groundwork here. The second is to look at the contact center as customer retention and renewals channel. Here, you can increase the effectiveness of this part of the contact center by segmenting your customers based on specific data points like the reason for their cancellation, their purchase history, their usage history, their payment history, and using all of this information to understand their lifetime value. Using these types of data points, you can then design relevant offers that will enhance the value of the service or product that they already purchased, or in some cases even add on additional products if needed at a discount, and retain them at a fraction of the cost compared to acquiring a new customer. The next strategy is leveraging contact center as proactive retention and upgrades channel. Service center interactions and additional data points can help score every customer for propensity to cancel, along with additional customer level health indicators using predictive analytics. Once you have these predicted cancel scores for all your customers, you can then create new low-cost offers to address the needs of high cancellation risk customers and retain them before they decide to cancel their service with you. There are some amazing statistics about how implementing such proactive retention strategy can improve the overall customer retention at a fraction of the cost. Senior leaders love this idea. Finally, contact center data can be used as a strategic business asset because this data is coming directly from your customer interactions. Analyzing contact center interactions can greatly enhance your business intelligence to improve your offerings over a period of time. You can combine customer interaction data such as call reasons, call notes, service requests, and feedback from satisfaction surveys to understand the needs of every customer. I found that insights from this type of data will allow you to perform more efficient operations across the enterprise. So based on these observations and actionable ideas, I hope you agree with me about how contact centers can be leveraged for revenue generating operations and contribute to your bottom line. With the right strategies, minor process shifts, technology upgrades, and a mindset change, you can absolutely turn this perceived cost center into a profit center. Thank you.